Kettlebell biceps curls are a great exercise for isolating and building the biceps, while also engaging your forearms, shoulders, and core for stability. Starting position: 1. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. 2. Hold a kettlebell in each hand with a supinated grip, palms facing forward. Let the kettlebells hang by your sides. You can hold the handle with the bell hanging below, standard, or upside down for more grip challenge. How to do it. 1. Engage your core and keep your elbows tucked close to your torso. 2. Curl the kettlebells up by bending at the elbows. Only your forearms should move. Your upper arms stay stationary. 3. Bring the kettlebells up to shoulder level, or slightly lower if the bell hits your forearm. 4. Pause briefly at the top for peak contraction. 5. Slowly lower the kettlebells back down to the starting position with control. Reps and sets: 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Tips for proper form: don't swing or use momentum. Strict control isolates the biceps better. Keep your wrists straight. Avoid excessive bending. Stand tall. Don't lean back to lift heavier weights. Exhale as you curl up. Inhale as you lower. Muscles worked: primary, biceps brachii, forearms, core, stabilizing. Secondary, brachialis, brachioradialis, deltoids, stabilizing, traps, stabilizing. Please check my next video.